Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all you're good. I am Timo from here. I am also good. Today, we are going to do a new experiment with this ESP32 cam, and you can see this is Freenova ESP32-S3 cam, and this one is the old ESP32 cam. Okay, this comes with better RAM, better memory, better processor, and this is the old one. And you already know, if you work with this, you need a separate MB board to upload the code and test, and it is pure GPIO pin. And this one is faster. The faster processor is 3. And today we are trying to get the live camera data, camera feeding in our server, and you can see this have several GPIO pin for your project. I think it will help you. Okay, if I show you, okay, it is the head-to-head comparison with this board, and you can see the old ESP32 cam required the FTDI board or now MB board I show you, and the Freenova is the plug and play and USB type C. And the processor is the dual core LX6 processor in the old ESP32 cam, and this one comes with LX7, that's with more faster processor. And the AI capability, the previous one, this software very slow, I cannot use it, but this one is the vector instruction. We will see one by one. And the RAM, more important, 4 MB PSRAM, and the Freenova S3 cam comes with 8 MB PSRAM. This is very good and very high speed. And the flash storage, the previous one is 4 MB and the Freenova is 8 MB. So this is much better than the previous one. Okay, so let's go for a testing. Okay, so this is the code I am used today, and the code link will be in the description. Please download the code. And we need to change something here. We used camera model ESP32-S3i. It has the PSRAM, so we'll use it. And we need to change the SSID and password. Okay, so the Wi-Fi SSID will be changed with your credential. So you will connect with your home Wi-Fi network, and it will give an IP. So we can hit that IP to open the browser and to access the camera feeding. The rest of it will be the same as it is. So before that, I hope you have already installed the ESP32 board in the Arduino IDE, and we need to select the S3 module from board manager. Okay, so this one ESP32 S3 dev module, we need to select this one, and we need to enable the USB-C DC on boot is enable. Default is disabled, but we need to enable to getting the debugging message. Okay, so if you disable this, you won't get any serial message in the serial monitor. Okay, and the rest, and the PSRAM is OPI PSRAM. Select this one. Okay, so it will be better image quality. And let's connect our board. Okay, I just connect it, and okay, it is the COM14. So I select the port and let's upload the code. Okay, so done uploading, and let's open the serial monitor, and you can see PSRAM is found and the camera is ready to use, and this is our IP. Okay, so just copy this IP address and open a browser and paste the IP and hit enter, and this is our portal is open. Let's streaming. Okay, so it's start streaming, and you can see this is our ESP32 Freenova cam. So you can see this is far better, and I hope in the daylight and enough light it is will be good, and it will give a clear image. And let's get a still picture here, and this is the still picture, and it is streaming, and let Okay, so you can set the resolution here, and this is this one, and the VGA is this, and here is HD, and we can still get some still picture. Okay, so you can save this and open the picture here, and I hope it will be good use when we work on the daylight. Okay, so I hope it will be help you, and this is for today. I will show you how you can take picture and upload on the server or face recognition or manual use processing, and you can use in your project. Okay, so thank you for today.